Well, we made it. Yay.
Over here. Please help me.
I'm a fire in my laser!
Hey. Stop them now.
Got it.
You sound the escape signal. Now.
Not so fast, P50. You're going nowhere.
You. I'm a fire in my laser! I'm a fire in my laser! I'm a fire in my laser!
Holy crap. What the heck happened? It looks like p50 went here. I got the clone.
Darn it, you. My clone. You idiot. Finally, we have very strong bars.
Not again.
Okay. We got her. You're good to sound all clear now.
Gotcha.
Hello, YouTube. Thunderbolt here. This is the end of the movie, The Good, the Bad, and the Meanie p50. We here at Tornado Siren Madness hope you enjoyed this. Special thanks to the Siren Channel 5005 and Sirens of South Carolina for adding scripts. Just a few more words. More sirens will be appearing in the series, like Screamer. And this was the good, the bad, and the meanie p50. By the way, thank you for 300 subscribers. This is Thunderbolt signing off.
Get over here, Thunder Baby.
Go